Our self-healing film protects your car paint from damage and makes scratches magically disappear. Watch as scratches are created and instantly become invisible with the application of heat. You can make the scratches disappear with a heat gun, hairdryer, or hot water, and the scratches are still quickly erased. But how does it work? These scratches are more like surface rearrangement than true tears in the film. The film has simply changed shape and wants to return to its lowest energy state, but it is cool. So when heat is applied, it returns to its original flat shape and lowest energy state. This process is similar to scratching an ice cube, letting the scratches melt away, and then refreezing it. The result? An amazing technology that makes it easier to enjoy your vehicle, whether you're taking your luxury car out on the town or going off-roading where tree branches could easily scratch your car paint. PPF makes it easy to keep your car looking shiny and new and saves you time and money. Contact us for more details on this innovative, zero-maintenance solution.